What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys one of the quickest way that you can go and use and make up to $100 plus per day on Clickbank. If you're going to follow the exact method I'm going to show you guys in this video and actually take action on what I'm going to show you guys in this video, you're going to start making some extra money very fast on Clickbank. So I'm going to show you guys the exact steps that you can go and follow and start making money very fast using this method right here. So be sure to pay very close attention. So the method I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a lot of money on Clickbank, and you're going to be using a VPN. So you can go use a VPN, a free VPN or a paid VPN. With this method I'm going to show you, and use it and make money very fast on Clickbank. So the method I'm going to be showing you guys is a method you can go and make up to you can go and make your first $100 very fast, and I can go and make up to $500 plus per week using this method I'm going to be showing you guys right here. So the method I'm going to be showing you guys is super easy and it's copy and paste. So you can just go and copy and paste, as I'm going to show you exactly what you can go and do and make money with this method right here. So this is newbie friendly, and if you're going to take action on this method, you're going to be guaranteed to make money what I'm going to show you. So the method I'm going to show you is a 100% working method. If you're going to implement it, you're going to start making some money very fast online. You can go and make your first sale as soon as today using this method I'm going to show you, because the method many other affiliates are already using and they're making a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys the exact method that they're using, and they're making a lot of money that I'm using as well. I'm getting results from using this exact method right here. So be sure to leave a like on this video so I continue to make these videos that will help you guys start making some extra money on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. So be sure to watch till the end, because I'm going to show you guys the exact secrets that you can go and use and make this money very fast on Clickbank as soon as today using this method I'm going to show you right here. So if you're new to the channel, guys, so subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos every day that we're going to go and take action on these methods consistently and implement these methods. You can go and make some extra money very fast online. And also I have a second channel called Smart Online Payday. I'm posting a lot more methods on that channel and a lot more videos that can go and use and make some extra money online for free. You can go and use that method and make some extra money on that channel. So I'm going to leave the link to Smart Online Payday in the description. I can go and watch a lot more videos on that channel, and you can also go and win a lot more giveaways on that channel. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys this method you can go and use right today and start making some extra money very fast on Clickbank very fast. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys this method you can go and use and start making some extra money online as soon as today from Clickbank. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a VPN. So you can go and use a free VPN. So you can go to Google. So what you're going to do is you can go to Google and type, for example, free VPN and click on search. You're going to find a lot of free VPNs that you can go and use for completely free. So you can go and use any free VPN with this method I'm going to show you guys. I'm still going to get a lot of results right here. So once you get a VPN, what you're going to do next, they're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So I'm going to show you guys why you're going to use this VPN in a minute. So once you go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, what you're going to do is you're going to go and choose a high converting offer that you're going to go and use and promote your affiliate offer. So from the affiliate marketplace, you can see there are a lot of products from here that you can go and promote from here. So you can go and promote any other affiliate products using this method I'm going to show you guys right here, and still going to make a lot of money. So you can see many of the affiliate products that are converting very well. So you can do from here is that you can go and start, for example, by Gravity. So let me start by Gravity. We're going to see the top selling products from here. So you're just going to go and choose one from here, and we're going to go and promote from here, and we're going to start getting some results. So for this example, I'm just going to choose one. For example, you can see Leptitox. So this product is converting very well on Clickbank for a very long time now, which means that many affiliates are making a lot of money from promoting these products right here. I'm going to see the sales page of the products. You're going to see that this is a weight loss product, and this is a physical products, and they tend to convert very well. So for this example, I'm just going to go and promote this product, Leptitox, for this example. So once I've chosen a product, you're going to go and promote. What you're going to do is you're going to go and use your free VPN, and what you're going to do is going to enable you to go and spy on other people are already running in other countries that are profitable. I can go and use it and make some money. So I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and put on my VPN. So this is a VPN I'm using. It's called HMA. And what you're going to do is we're going to go and connect these to the United States. So I just connected this to the United States. And what it's going to do is it's going to enable me to see the ads that are running in other countries that are already profitable. So what I'm going to do for me is that since this product I'm promoting right here is called Leptitox, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google. I'm going to go and type, for example, Leptitox review. So type, for example, Leptitox review. What you're going to do is you're going to see a lot of affiliates that are promoting this product right here. So you can know that this product is converting. So you can see there's a lot of ads right here. So many people are putting a lot of ads from here, means that they are making a lot of money from promoting this product. So The VPN is going to enable you to go and view ads that people are running in other different countries, and can go and model those reviews and can go and promote your affiliate offers. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to go and do to promote these offers and make a lot of money very fast. So you can see right at the bottom, there's still a lot of different ads of people are running these ads promoting Lepsy Talks. So I'm going to go and do from here is that we're just going to go and open some of these articles. So let's open this one, for example. So let's open this second one. And we're just going to go and see what people have written right here promoting this product right here. So let's open, for example, the first ad. So you can see that this is a simple review about Lepsy Talks, and this is sending people back to the affiliate offer. So I click on this link. It's going to take me back to the affiliate offer on Clickbank that this person is promoting right here. So this person is paying money on Google to promote this product, which means that this product is converting very well. So I go, for example, to the second article. You're going to see is another review article of this product right here. So it's a simple review. I click on this link. It's going to take you back to the product on Clickbank. If you're going to buy from here, this person is going to make money from promoting this product. So the first step is that we already know that this product is converting very well. What we can do from here is that we can go and model some of these. So we can go and model these reviews and go and create a similar review, right, list promoting these products. I'm going to show you guys how I can go and create a simple campaign and promote this product right here very fast and start making some sales. So be sure to pay very close attention on this step right here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go and model this exact review. We're going to go and create a similar review like this, promoting this Lepsy Talks offer. So the next step that is very important is they're going to go and look for similar keywords that people are searching for this product right here. They're going to go and use it in your ad and promote your affiliate offer. So the first keyword we are going to use is that we're going to go and copy this one. It's called Lepsy Talks review. We're just going to go and put it. You can go and put it, for example, on a notepad. So I'm just going to go and input this right here. So these are the keywords that people are searching for this product on Google. So next we are going to go scroll at the bottom. So scroll at the bottom, you're going to find a lot of similar keywords that people are searching to find this product right here on Google. So you're just going to go right at the bottom. You can see these are other keywords right here. So you can see Lepsy Talks supplement review. So these are very good keywords that can go and use and promote your affiliate offer. So you can see this one, for example, Lepsy Talks reviews Reddit, Lepsy Talks reviews consumer reports. You can see Lepsy Talks review 2020, Lepsy Talks review Amazon. So what you're going to do from here is I'm going to go and use all these keywords and promote your affiliate offer and start getting some results. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and copy all these keywords. So let me just copy this one. I'm just going to go and put it, for example, on a notepad. So let me just put it right here. I'm just going to go and copy the next one. So let me just copy this one. So these are the keywords that people are searching on Google to find these ads on Google. So that's it, guys. So I just took time and just copy all those different keywords from here. I click on any of these keywords, for example. So let's click, for example, on Lepsy Talks supplement review. You're going to be able to find a lot more different keywords by the bottom of the Google search ad. So if you scroll at the bottom, you're going to find a lot more reviews that you can go and use and target this and promote these products and make some sales, because these are the different keywords that people are searching on Google to find these products from here. So let's just copy this one, for example, Lepsy Talks Canada reviews. And that's it, guys. So we're just going to add other keywords, for example, Lepsy Talks scam. So let me just add this one right here. All right, for example, Lepsy Talks scam. So these are different keywords that people are looking to find the reviews of these products right here. And what we're going to do from here is that we're going to be creating a simple review about this product. And we're going to be using Google Ads to promote these products and get a lot of sales. So the next step from here is that we're going to go and create a simple review blog like this one right here. So you're just going to go, for example, you can go, for example, to this website. You can go to blogger.com. I'm going to go and create a simple review website. So you can see, for example, this one is being created in blogger.com. So this is a free website that someone has created and is promoting this using Google search ads and is getting a lot of sales from promoting this product. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and model this and make some money as well. So you can go, for example, blogger.com and create a simple website on blogger.com. Or you can just go to wix.com and you can go and create a similar website on wix.com for free. So all you're going to do is you can just go and copy some of the text from these different reviews that I found on the top of Google. I can just change a few things from the review. I'm going to go and create a similar website like this, promoting this product right here. So next step for me is that once you have created a simple blog like this, what you're going to do is you're going to go and run search ads on Google promoting this product right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to do to get the highest amount of results from running these ads on Google. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go to Google Ads. I'm going to go and create a simple campaign. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to choose, for example, leads or website traffic. So I'm just going to choose website traffic for this example. And what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and click on search. I'm going to go and create a search ad and promote this product from here. So let's click on continue. And that's it, guys. You're going to go and create a simple ad from here. So what I'm going to do for me is we're going to just write, for example, the campaign name as Lepsy Talks. So we're going to write, for example, Lepsy Talks review. What we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and uncheck this. So we want this to run only on the search ad. So we want this to run only when someone search our keywords on Google. So uncheck this display network right here. So leave only search network. So we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and choose, for example, countries. We're going to go and enter a location. And some of the countries that convert very well, I like to leave at only United States. So let me write United States. I can also add other countries, for example, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and they also convert very well. So I mostly run only on United States when I get a lot more conversions before I go and add the other countries. So I'm just going to leave United States for this example. And next what I want to do for me is I'm going to go and choose English. So I'm going to go and type English from here, since you are promoting an English product right here. So what you're going to do for me next is I can go and input your budget. So for example, let's say for example, $25 per day on this campaign right here. So you can just run at $25 per day, and for the bidding you can just leave it like this. And next what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to click on save and continue. So click on save and continue, and that's it guys, you're going to be able to create a search ad from here. So this is the ad group. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and copy all those keywords that we found on Google, and we're going to go and use it and paste it inside here. So let's go to this. So these are the keywords that we got. So we're just going to copy all these keywords. We can just go and copy and paste them inside right here. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that these exact keywords are the ones that people are searching on Google, are the ones that our ad is going to show in front of. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the website. It's called keywordmatchtypetool.com. So that's the URL of the website. It's called keywordmatchtypetool.com, and it's going to enable you to match these keywords very easily. So we're just going to go and input our keywords right here. So let's input our keywords right here. What I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and click on exact match. So we want only people that are searching for this exact keywords to see our ad. So it is going to be very targeted. So click on exact match and click on make keyword list, and that's it. You're just going to copy all this one with these brackets right here. So let's copy all of this, and these are the keywords that we're going to go and use in our campaign. So let's input right here. So let's delete all of this. I'm going to go and input the exact match right here. I'm going to go and click on save and continue. And that's it guys, that's how easy it is for you to go and create your ad with this method of showing you guys right here. So the final URL right here is going to be a review page that you have created right here. So this review page you're going to go and model is a page you're going to go and send your traffic to from Google. So for example, I'm just going to go and copy this page from here for this example. I'm just going to go and input it right here. So let me just input this as final URL, but you're going to go and input the URL of your own website right here. So what I'm going to do from here is I can just go and write, for example, the headline. I'm going to go and use this and promote your affiliate offer from here very easily. So what I need to do from here is I'm going to go and write a headline that's going to make people to go and click and go back to your own review. So you're going to write, for example, let's talk review exposed. So this is the type of headlines that's going to make people to go and click and go to your own review, and they go and buy the product. That's how you're going to be making commission very fast from here. So you can write, for example, let's talk review, and can go and write a second headline. So you can just go and model the other ads that are already on Google, and you're just going to go and create a similar advert, and that's how you're going to be getting some traffic, and you can go and make money very fast, because people that are searching for these reviews are people that have already been to the sales page of the product, and they're trying to see if the product is right for them to buy. So if you're going to show them that this is the best product for them to buy, many people are going to buy because they've already seen the sales page of the product and they're looking for a review, and you're going to be in front of them, and that's how you can go and get a lot of conversions very fast with this method of showing guys right here. So we'll give example to Google. For example, you can see livestock supplement review. So you can go and model some of these ads. You can see the type of headlines that many people are putting right here that's going to make people to go and click and go back to their own review. So you can see, for example, Trevor livestock exposed, livestock full truth review. So you can just go and model some of these ads, and you're going to go and use this and promote your own affiliate offer, and you can go and make a lot of sales guys. So many people are running these ads because they're making a lot of money from using this method that I've shown you guys right here. I'm going to go and take action, or I was showing you guys right here. You can go and make a lot of money very fast. So you can just go and model some of this, model some of the best ads. I'm going to go and use this copy in your own ad as well. I can go and promote this and make a lot of money guys. So that's it guys. So what I can do from here is I can also go and use this method of showing you guys in promoting any other affiliate offer on Clickbank. You can still go and make a lot of money because many people are promoting this and are getting results from this method of showing you guys right here. So that's it guys. So what you're going to do from here is I'm going to go and create a simple ad and just click on save and continue. And once your ad is reviewed, you can start getting some traffic and start making some money, because this is going to be very targeted traffic guys. So that's a simple method you can go and use and implement right today and start making some money on Clickbank. So that's it. So if you found this video guys, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So this is a very actionable method you're going to go and implement as soon as today, as I've shown you guys. You can go and make a lot of money with this method of showing you guys right here. So that's it, guys. So if you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day on Clickbank, be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money every day on Clickbank that you can go and use as start making some extra money as well. So I've created a training, and the training also I've done for you campaigns that can just go and copy and paste and start running and start making some extra money on Clickbank very fast as soon as today. So that's it, guys. Take action on this method, and I'll see you guys in the next video.